Hello, this is Bobby at Copal TV Repair, and this is a Functionality Pro video for a Samsung mainboard that was returned to us. It was worked on in April of 2022. That's 6 months ago. And it was sent to us with a claim that it wasn't working. Apparently, it was repaired by NTR, that's Nix TV Repair before. It was here. There's a lot of stuff that has been done on the back of the board apparently, but anyhow, it was sent to here because apparently it wasn't powering on. And it was powering on for me as it came out of the box. It was poorly packaged. Jim at Fix It Shop, please package boards better, but more importantly, there's nothing we can do about a board that is just working out of the box. There's nothing we did. There's nothing that we are doing. You see just half a screen here because, well, this is a 42-inch board and I'm testing on a 50-inch TV. And in order not to overload it, because it cannot take the juice for a large 50-inch monitor, this one is not working. It's only working half the screen. And of course it takes less power. If I let it run for a longer period of time, it may still overload and fail, but for the time being it is good. So the board is working. There's nothing we can do. We can just package it and return it back. Thank you.